Hey guys, so this video is going to focus on how to find the area of a parallelogram. So over here we have our parallelogram and we have all these different measurements for the sides and a few extra measurements over here. So when it comes to finding area of any kind of shape, so I always say it's most important that you first make sure that you do have the appropriate formula for what you need to solve. And then second, you have all the pieces of information in order to plug into that formula. So here I'm finding the area of a parallelogram, so I need to make sure that I know the formula for the area of this shape here. So the formula for the area of a parallelogram is base times height. So I need to make sure that I do have my base and I do have my height given to me, because sometimes what we'll find is that sometimes we're going to be given extra information, or sometimes we need to figure out what those measurements are. Sometimes we're not given them. So we need to make sure that we have our base and that we have our height before we can proceed here. Now the base of a parallelogram is always one of the bases for the parallel sides. So the parallel sides are going to be these two sides right here. And the base is going to be this 6.5 over here. Okay, that is the base that my figure is sitting on. So the base is 6.5 yards, and we need to multiply that by the height. Now the height is going to be the height from parallel side to parallel side. So it's going to be a straight distance here, never a slanted distance. So this 5 yards over here is not our height. That is extra information that we do not need for this problem here. So our height from bottom to top, from parallel to parallel, is going to be this 4.5 here. So that's what these dotted lines here are signifying. They go from the bottom here, parallel side, all the way to this top one here. So the height is going to be 4.5. All right, so in order to solve this problem, we just need to go ahead and multiply these together. So 6.5 times 4.5 is going to give us 29.25, and our units is yards. Always do make sure when it comes to area, units is always squared, so units squared. So this is 29.25 yards squared for the area of this parallelogram.